is a market in Africa where African star apples are displayed and sold. But you cannot see something like this in Igbo land, particularly Anambra State. I will tell you the reason in this video. Hello guys, welcome back to Igbo Lifestyle with Dera. Hope you've had enough water today. If you've not, go get a glass of water. You know water is essential for healthy living and the weather is very hot, so you need a glass of water. So guys, I traveled to the village during the weekend and my nephew got me some African star apple. I have one with me here. Very sweet, but I will lick it later. So this actually triggered me to discuss this topic, African star apple, a taboo in Igbo land. As we all know, African star apple is a tropical fruit predominant in Africa and can be seen in any African market. But the case is different when it comes to Igbo land, particularly Anambra State. The African star apple is called Odala in Igbo land. So in Igbo land, the African star apple is accorded with so many respects because it is believed to be synonymous with children. In Igbo land, you don't sell African star apple in the market because you don't sell children in the market. You don't buy African star apple from the market. And it is a taboo to pluck the African star apple with stick. It is also a taboo to climb the African star apple. You know you can climb any tree, but in Igbo land, don't climb African star apple tree because it is a very big taboo. And one does not own an African star apple tree. Whether it is in your farmland, you don't own it in Igbo land. It is believed to be owned by everybody. During the olden days, people don't go in search of African apple with oil lamp. You know what an oil lamp is? People don't go to search for African star apple, the falling ones with oil lamp, because they believe that the flame that comes from the oil lamp rottens the odala fruit in the odala tree. So that is why they don't go in search of it with oil lamp. I could remember when I was growing up, there was this particular man in my village that had a broken arm. They said that the man fought with a ghost under the odala tree when he was coming back from work late in the night. The story was very funny, but that is it. So we believe so much in this odala because it has significance with children. So if you are planning to travel to any Igbo land, particularly Anambra State, and you love African star apple so much, please get enough for yourself because you won't even see them to buy in the market. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any contribution or any question concerning this topic, African star apple, a taboo in Igbo land, please do that in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.